Hi, so I'm playing around with the top stitch right now, and I saw in your photo you were able to see the back side of the stitch, which was kind of like an overlock stitch, but you couldn't see the front. And I'm wondering if maybe the front was just, maybe it had a matching color. Right now, I just changed the color to like blue. I had to click on the top stitch, and then there were some options in the property editor. Or maybe even the thread thickness is a little low, like 40. If you really wanted it thicker. 80's pretty thick. Let's see if it'll allow me to do that to it. So maybe making the thread thicker, maybe changing its color, maybe really zooming in on it, possibly. That's just troubleshooting, like that comes to mind right now of ways to actually see it. But I mean, I saw the back, so it made me think that it was there. It's just that you couldn't see the front, and I'm thinking the front either just the color matched the garment too well, or it's just too thin, possibly. Those are just my ideas off the top of my head. By the way, I don't know if you saw this already, but if you go to hardware and trims under top stitch, they have all these like ISO, these are international standards of all kinds of different stitches that come from all kinds of different machines. We actually study this in our one of our classes, our 108, where we evaluate ready to wear garments, and we talk about all the different types of stitching and machines and all that good stuff. And it's kind of neat that they have the whole ISO list illustrated for you. I think that's so, just from as someone who used to have to draw stitching a lot, I think that's so cool because it has the front and the back. It's pretty amazing here. So you can just click, drag, and drop it over here and use it. And then once it's even here, you can even change the settings as far as if you wanted to use a thicker thread and changing the color, all that fun stuff. I don't know if I answered your question. I hope maybe it helped. If not, just reply and let me know.